आप लोगों के सामने ये जो पावर पॉइंट दिखाएगा ये है साइंटिफिक एकेडमिक इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया। तो उमेश कुमार को मैं अनुरोध करता हूँ कि ये पावर पॉइंट आपको दिखाएगा जो बहुत ही इंफॉर्मेटिव पावर पॉइंट।
So friends, as you all know that education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the whole world. Great said by Nelson Mandela. A very wonderful morning for all present over here, Honorable Nidhi sir, all galaxy of intellectuals and ignited minds and future scientists. Today I am Umesh Meher, a student of class 12 of Jawaharlal Nehru Vidyalaya Pazharpur, studying we are going to present a seminar on the topic Scientific Academic Institutes of India. So first question arises, what is education? What is the main motive of education? Education means all-round development of a person. It doesn't mean only the development in the study career. It means development in sports, in CCA, in other co-curricular activities. So education needs something more. Education, a 9-letter word, doesn't similar to another 9-letter word, knowledge. Education needs something more to be explained. So what we have gained in our class, that not mean education. We have to apply it in our day-to-day life by making or performing several practicals, several research works and many other things. So what we can say that education has no boundaries. In today's world, even if the world is running after money and stability, there are some institutions who are providing research careers. And large or huge amounts of institutions have gained both international and national recognitions in the past. The government of India established most of these institutions and funding them by different ministries like Ministries of Health and Human Welfare, Ministry of Human Resource Development, Ministries of Education, etc. So from starting up to now, what are the different institutions that was established in India? The first science-based institution was IISc. It was established on 1909 with active support from Jamshedji Tata and thus is locally called as Tata Institute. What is the full form of IISc? Indian Institute of Science. And this was coming among the most prestigious institution in India and has the highest citation among all the universities in the world. And what is this meaning of citation? The term citation. Meaning after PhD degree we have to submit a project in the institute and that institute provide a ranking in all the projects in our particular batch. And this institute providing a very high ranking in all over our country and not only our country, in all over our world. Then as per of July 2021, there are 161 INIs. What are INIs? Institutes of National Importance. They are generally established by under an Act of Parliament. These INIs include 23 IITs, 25 triple ITs, 31 NITs, 20 AIMS up to now. This information is false, and 20 AIMS till now, and it is expected to join 5 more AIMS in this list by 2025. 20 IIMs, 7 IJRs, 1 NIJR, 5 NIDs, 3 SPAs, 2 NIPTEMs, and 5 central universities, 4 medical research universities, and 14 other specialized universities. So starting from AIMS, All Indian Institute of Medical Science was firstly established in New Delhi. Was originally established as a super specialty tertiary care center with primary emphasis on research and specialized training facilities. As you all know, that MBBS is the basic medical course in medical degree and in bachelor degree particularly, and this is followed by the master degree level of specialization in general surgery, general internal medicines, pediatrics, etc. Now let's concentrate on IIT. They are governed by the Institute of Technology Act of 1961, which has declared them as INIs, Institute of National Importance, and lays down their powers, duties, and framework for governance as the country's premier institution in the field of technology. As I have mentioned earlier, there are 23 IITs in all over our country, and in our state, 5 IITs present. Anybody? It is present in Bhubaneswar. Then let's come to NIT. They are governed by the National Institute of Technology, Science, Education and Research Act of 2007, which declared them as INIs, Institute of National Importance, and lays down their power, duties and framework of governance. These institutes are coming among the top-ranked engineering colleges in India. And for kind information, I want to mention here that NIT is present in Rourkela in our state. ISER, Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, are a group of premier public research institutions present only 7 throughout our country, and a person who gets selected in this institution has most privilege and he gets the highest scholarship also. This institution was generally established by the Government of India from Ministries of Human Resource Development (MHRD) to provide collegiate education in basic science coupled with research at undergraduate level. Seven ISER.
उड़ीसा में आइजर कहाँ है? बरहमपुर में कोई से नहीं।
7 ISER are present in our whole country. It is present in Berhampur, Bhopal, Mohali, Tiruvananthapuram, Tirupati, and other 2 places. The NISER, National Institute of Science, Education and Research. It provides a 5-year integrated MSc as well as PhD degree, and those who make a PhD degree here, they are rewarded or awarded by HBNI, Homi Bhabha National Institute, a deemed to university within the Department of Atomic Energy. What this term means, a deemed to university. A deemed to university means this university are not coming among the INIs that are governed by the Government of India, and these are expected to become INIs in future. IIITs, Indian Institute of Information Technology, are a group of 25 interdisciplinary technology-based research institutions in India which are mainly focused on information technology. 25 IIITs are there in all over our country. IOP, Institute of Physics. I want to mention here that IOP is only present one throughout our country, and we are privileged to get it in our state only. It is present in Bhubaneswar. Institute of Physics conducts various research programs in experimental and theoretical physics. Research in theoretical physics includes condensed matter theory, nuclear and high energy physics.
उमेश मेहर और सूर्यकांत ये आईपी घूम रहा है।
Central University. Only 5 central universities are present throughout our country. Central University, or we can say it is as Union University in India, are public universities established by an act of Parliament and are under the purview of the Department of Higher Education in the Ministry of Education. Central University, in addition, are covered by the Central University Act of 2009, which regulates their purpose, powers, governance, etc., and established 12 new universities. You may imagine that Central University have very much powers, and under their supervision, they make 12 extra universities. IIEST, Indian Institute of Education, Science and Technology. Science and Technology, undergraduate program to various engineering disciplines. Those who want to become an engineer, they make their career here. 4-year BTech program and architecture means 5-year BR program are granted by JEE Mains. Those who are qualified by JEE Mains, taking 50% students from the home state, West Bengal, and 50% from other states. IIEST is also present only one throughout our country, and it is present in West Bengal. So it takes 50% students from home state West Bengal and rest 50% from other states of country. Then IPR, Institute of Plasma Research. It is present in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The Institute of Plasma Research is an autonomous physics research institute in India. The institute is involved in research in aspects of plasma science, including basic plasma physics, research on magnetically confined hot plasma, and plasma technology for industrial application. Plasma means what? Hydrogen plasma, the ion or plasma or the magma that is coming in volcanic eruptions. These all, if you want to make study or make a research area in that pure and applied plasma science, then you will be applied the entrance test of IPR. Then let's come to PRL, Physical Research Laboratory. Is a national research institute for space and allied sciences, supported mainly by Department of Space, Government of India. Those who want to become a faculty in ISRO, their primary education starts from PRL. RRI, Raman Research Institute, is an institute of scientific research located in Bangalore, India. It was founded by Nobel lecturer C.V. Raman. Although it began as an institute privately owned by Sir C.V. Raman, it is now funded by the government of India. After death of C.V. Raman, it was now funded by the government of India to regulate this institution. IISCS, I have told earlier that this institute is present in Bangalore of Karnataka and Robert has citation among all the universities in the world. Then IMSC, Institute of Mathematical Science, is a national institute for fundamental research in frontier disciplines of the mathematical and physical sciences. It includes theoretical computer science, mathematics, theoretical physics, and computational biology. Those who are interested in every field of science include biology, physics, chemistry, mathematics. All these are provided by two institutions only, IMSC and TIFR. TIFR, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, is a public deemed research university located in Mumbai, India, that is dedicated to basic research in mathematics and science. Though these two institutions have same functions. BAR, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, present in Bhopal. Bhabha Atomic Research Center is a premier multidisciplinary nuclear research center of India, having excellent infrastructure for advanced research and development, with expertise covering the entire spectrum of nuclear science, engineering and related areas. It is the mother of R&D institutions such as Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, IGCAR, Raja Ramanna Center for Advanced Technology, RRCAT, Variable Energy Cyclotron Center, VECC, etc., which carry out pioneering. Only one research center of nuclear physics is present in our country in Bhopal. Let's focus on which institute present in which part of our country. All Indian Institute of Medical Science, as I have told earlier, till now it is 20 and it is expected to get 5 more M's by 2025. New Delhi, Nagpur, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Jodhpur, Patna, Raipur, Rishikesh, Bilaspur, etc. All Indian Institute of Speech and Hearing is present in Mysore. Bose Institute present in Kolkata. Center for Excellence in Basic Science is present in Mumbai. Harishchandra Research Institute is present in Allahabad. Indian Institute of Architects is present in Mumbai. Indian Institute of Astrophysics is present in Bangalore, Karnataka. Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology is present in Sitpur in the Howrah district of West Bengal. Indian Institute of Information Technology has 25 branches throughout our country: Gwalior, Allahabad, Dharwad, Agartala, etc. Then Indian Institute of Information Technology and Management is present in Gwalior. Indian Institute of Science is present in Bangalore. Indian Institute of Science Education and Research is present in 7 branches: Kolkata, Pune, Mohali, Bhopal, Thiruvananthapuram, Tirupati and Berhampur. Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology present in Thiruvananthapuram. Indian Institute of Technology present in Kharagpur, Kanpur, Bombay, Chennai, Delhi, Dhanbad, etc. Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, it is under the supervision of BARC, it is present in Kalpakkam. Institute of Mathematical Science is present in Chennai. Institute of Physics, as we all know, it is present in Bhubaneswar. National Institute of Science Education and Research is also present in Bhubaneswar. National Institute of Technology, it has 31 branches for our country, and it is making sure by the government of India that every state must get at least one NIT. And where is NIT present in our state? Institute of Plasma Research is present in Gandhinagar. Physical Research Laboratory is present in Ahmedabad. Raman Research Institute is present in Bangalore. Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics is present in Kolkata. SN Bose National Center for Basic Sciences (SNBNCBS) is present in Kolkata, West Bengal. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research is present in Mumbai, Hyderabad. So, these all national universities spread in all over our country helps our country to develop or to progress in all possible ways. By offering the citizen an imperial experience of different innovative and inspiring ideas as well as environment. Today, India is becoming better, and this process of becoming better has many more connections with these national institutions of India, world-class national institutions of India. So, I want to suggest or request you that if you want to make your career by making different research in different fields, then there are various institutions provided in our country itself, and many the 100% of engineering produced every year in India are 70% of them are migrated to different countries and helping their GDP to grow and not our GDP. So it's my kind request to all of you that if you want to make a research career, then prefer this all INIs. 161 INIs are provided in all over our country. No need to go to foreign for research works. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू उमेश। अभी मैं आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूंगा, अगर इसमें कोई डाउट है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं आप। ठीक है, थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू, थैंक यू उमेश।